Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a screen resolution problem in Windows 10. When your screen resolution is messed up with the Windows 10, everything on your monitor will look giant, blurry, stretched or pixelated. This usually happens because Windows selected the wrong display layout. So let's see how to fix this one. First method is you need to change the resolution via setting. So just right click on the empty area in the desktop, go to display setting. Scroll down to the scale and layout section. Under the display resolution, you just need to tap on drop down menu. Make sure you are selected the recommended one for your computer. This is the recommended true resolution for your computer. If you selected any other one, that will not fix perfectly on your computer. So you need to select the recommended option. And the second method is you need to adjust scaling if the text icon are too big or too small. For that also you need to come to the display setting. Under the scale and layout, you can see there is option called change the size of text tab or other items. Select that one. In that also you need to select the recommended option. If you select a larger one, that means text will be large, or if you select a small one, the text will be small. So the third method is you need to restart your graphic driver using shortcut. The shortcut key is actually Windows key, Control key, Shift key and B. You need to press these 4 keys together. Then your monitor screen will be blink for the split second and you will hear sharp beep sound. This will completely flush your graphic processor memory card without closing your open applications or turn off your PC. Your resolution should restore instantly. And the second method is you need to roll back or redirect your display drivers. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu, go to device manager. You need to double tap on display adapters, select your graphic driver, right click on it, go to properties, go to drivers tab. If you can select the rollback driver option, just select that one to roll back the previous installed version, then it will be fixed. If the rollback driver is not available, that means it is disabled section, you just need to select the uninstall device. Do not tick this one, make sure to untick like this, then tap on uninstall. Then you need to restart your computer to scan your display link and automatically download the fresh copy of your official graphic driver. So these methods will be fixed your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like.